Hello everyone, Jason Warren for DT Met, and we've got a large storm system that's going to impact portions of the Plain States today, bringing heavy snow to parts of the northern plains and into the upper Midwest, while also bringing the threat for severe weather to portions of the southern plains and lower Mississippi Valley this afternoon and into tonight. The heaviest snow with this system is expected to fall across parts of southern South Dakota, northern Nebraska, and over into parts of southern Minnesota, where some areas could see 12 to 18 inches of snow, and this will be accompanied by gusty winds which could produce near blizzard conditions. There will also be a significant area of freezing rain from far southern Minnesota through northwestern Iowa and into eastern Nebraska, and some locations within this area could see ice accretion up to a half an inch. And this will also be an area that experiences gusty winds, so power outages will be likely in this region. Across the southern plains and lower Mississippi Valley is where we'll have our severe weather threat today. A deep trough over the Four Corners region and southern Rockies will spread into the central and southern plains today, and we're already seeing evidence of this by these high clouds that are spreading out through portions of Texas and Oklahoma and western Kansas this morning, and this is an indication of strong winds aloft that are spreading across the region. At the same time, we have low-level winds out of the south and southeast, bringing moisture in off the Gulf of Mexico across portions of the lower Mississippi Valley and into eastern Texas. While we have some cloud cover and ongoing showers across portions of the Mississippi Valley and eastern Texas this morning, it's doubtful this activity will have much impact on the overall severe weather threat today. The Storm Prediction Center in their outlook this morning has expanded the enhanced risk. Now extends all the way to portions of western Tennessee and southeastern Missouri, and covers most of Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, and northwestern Louisiana. And this is for the potential for damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes, and some of the tornadoes could be significant, EF3 intensity or greater, and could also be long-tracked. This is a product of our website, dtmet.com, and it shows the updraft helicity swaths across the southern plains and lower Mississippi Valley through tonight. And this is the area where we'd be most concerned with significant tornadoes. This is where the models are showing sustained rotating updrafts from northeastern Texas through central Arkansas, and even up as far northeast as southeastern Missouri during the overnight tonight. And this is the area that we would have the highest concern for strong damaging tornadoes tonight. This is something we'll have to watch closely through the day to see how thunderstorms are developing and how the system is evolving. Model simulation across the region shows that we'll still have some ongoing showers around noon today, Eastern Time, 11 a.m. Central Time. But storms will quickly get going this afternoon, with strong to severe storms developing from western Arkansas and eastern Oklahoma down into northeastern Texas by mid-afternoon. And these storms could develop further with supercells developing across portions of western Arkansas and down into far eastern Texas and western Louisiana by mid to late afternoon. Some of the discrete cells within this line will have the potential to produce strong long-track tornadoes. The storms will continue to move eastward through the evening hours, with perhaps 2 or 3 lines of storms moving through, producing the potential for damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes. The storms will eventually congeal into more of a solid line overnight and into the early morning hours, which will produce more of a damaging wind threat along the Mississippi River and areas east. Even though we'll be transitioning to more of a damaging wind threat during the early morning hours and towards sunrise, there could still be embedded tornadoes within this line, especially from portions of Tennessee down into northern Mississippi and northern Louisiana. On Tuesday, the severe weather threat will shift eastward, with an enhanced risk for severe storms from eastern Louisiana through southern Mississippi and into central Alabama. Damaging winds, large hail, and a few strong tornadoes will be possible within this area. Be sure to have a plan of action ready to go and in place in case severe weather threatens your area. And as always, stay tuned for additional updates.